What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. We are currently about 1 hour west of Dallas, Texas. So this is our load. It's really not much. It's probably not even 1,000 pounds. This is going all the way to Odessa, Texas. It's triple the miles of what I normally go, and triple the miles means triple the money. Just want to say, if you're new here, thank you so much. Welcome. My name's Trent. I own a trucking company, a fencing company, and I do YouTube. It's currently 9:34. I know it's kind of late, but we drove till like midnight last night. Yesterday, I was finally able to clean my truck. I can't remember the last time I, washed the outside and the inside of it. Shout out to my girlfriend for helping me out. Without further ado, let's get on the road. That I stayed at, the gas prices were at $3.49. This diesel is $2.94, so 49 cents doesn't sound like a big difference. I'm saving 40 cents a gallon just by driving 30 minutes up the road. Yeah, it's a little inconvenient, but these are kind of cool. They're like sliced. They're valid. Honestly think I might go try to find some like really good Texas style restaurant maybe to go eat some lunch at. I'm not really sure, but stick around to find out. As we drive, it is starting to feel more and more like West Texas. We got our paperwork signed. We are going to get unloaded and head on over to Houston. Thank you. Have a good day. Dude. All right, guys, and we are unloaded like that, one pallet. And that is what you call easy money. Okay guys, you're probably thinking, what the heck are you doing? I want to get a good picture of this. So I'm pulled over right now and I'm gonna do just that. Just look how pretty this view is. This is insane. That was fun. I'm just starting to kind of get into photography. It's a little fun. Kind of just surprised that I even pulled over to do it, but kind of fun. I did it in high school a little bit. Other than that, I didn't really do a whole lot of it. It looks like we lost our lens cap though. It's in my pocket. All right, enough wasting time. Let's get out of here. We need to go get some food. After miles and miles of being on a 2-lane in the middle of nowhere, we are finally getting on the interstate. Let's go. So excited to get on an interstate. So the fuel here is $3.79. I've got 70 miles till empty, and I'm 50 miles away from cheap fuel. So I think I'm just gonna stop here and get 20 bucks. How's it going? 20 on 17, please.
You got a GoPro?
It's a DJI Action 5. It's kind of like a GoPro, but it's got a whole lot more. It's got like a night mode. It's got a better built-in camera. I think you can live stream off of these. I cracked my camera lens. All right, well, this is what cracked. Not sure how it happened, but I'll have to order another one off Amazon. Time to go 50 miles and hopefully we can find somewhere to eat because we're gonna be driving for a while. So I think I'm gonna go sit down, enjoy a meal, because we're probably not gonna stop driving until like 11 p.m. So, all right, guys. Little warp, but we're gonna fuel up at this fuel station that has cheaper fuel, and I think we're gonna go across the street to this place and get some barbecue. Never mind, change of plans. There is a barbecue place down the street, about 2 blocks. One of the locals here said that it's better than the place across the street. This place a couple blocks away has been there since her mom was a baby. I'm not sure how old she is or her mom, but I'm not sure where I'm going. Okay, I think I found it. It's right here. All right, it was kind of a struggle, but we're parked. Thank you so much. All right. Here's how we're looking. Fire. So apparently we're in Junction, Texas. Kind of want to get ahead of these. These are kind of cool. All right, that was a success, but break's over. Time to get back on the road. This is a really cool town. You know, I grew up in Casper, Wyoming. I was born in Louisiana, but I grew up in Casper. And this is just giving me that vibe. I don't really know what it is, but gosh, just look at the view. Check that out. But unfortunately, it's time to drive for the next 3 hours. We're gonna be about an hour away from Houston, so let's get on the road, as always. Fast forward, we pulled over because we hit like an hour and a half of traffic. So we are currently at a road ranger in a reserved spot. I'm not really sure how to pay for parking, so we're just gonna risk it.
The next day.
Oh my gosh. Oh, what is up, guys? It is currently 8:55. I slept all right. I woke up at about 7 o'clock in the morning, went back to bed, and I slept better between then and now than I did the entire night. I don't know why. Time to get up. Time to head to Houston. I think we're about 2 hours away. I'll see you guys when I get on the road. All right, guys, so change of plans. We are actually headed to go pick a load up, headed back to the Lafayette area. So we are currently on the road. So that means we're gonna be cooking up some food tonight. Let's go.